Christine.
Hello, good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
As usual, good. So, did I leave you with any homework yesterday?
No.
Okay. All right, then. So, let's continue with our next lesson. Do you have any questions regarding our lesson about how to ask? About what do you think?
No.
Really? You don't have any questions?
No.
Okay. All right, then. So, let's see our lesson plan right here. Wait for a moment. Okay, so we already finished until meeting, which is today we are going to talk about direction. And yeah, it means that we're finally close to the final exam, and I would like to inform you about the final exam first before I forgot it. So your
Hmm.
final exam will be on Monday, 15th of June. Is that okay for you?
Okay.
And then for Monday, we will have a final exam at 1 p.m.
Hmm.
And the final exam is a 1 hour exam, which is we are going to talk to each other. And the topic is about this all. So you should prepare
Hmm.
yourself to answering questions in English for all of these topics. I can ask you about anything that we have learned on this class. For example, I may ask you, hey, can you help me to turn on your camera? Oh, sure, blah, 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 blah. Or, and then what do you think about the fuel cost rising right now? Oh, I think it's becoming more expensive. So I cannot
Hmm.
go with my motorbike anymore because it's too expensive for me or yeah, anything. And then I may also ask you about directions, which is the topic that we are going to learn today. For example, there's someone lost on their way to somewhere, and then they ask you to show you the direction to somewhere. For example, could you help me to show me to the supermarket or something like that?
Hmm.
And aside of the speaking session, I would like also to tell you that for the exam, there is a written expression as well. So there are two formats, speaking and written. But we can only do that if the time is enough, like that.
Okay.
Is there anything that you want to ask about the final exam?
No.
Okay, all right then. Let's jump into our last lesson here. So let me ask you about something. Do you use Google Maps?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because.
And
Huh? Apa? What?
Google Maps.
Yeah.
Where do you usually use Google Map? Like, where are you going when you use Google Maps?
Eh, di mana aja? Di mana aja berarti everywhere.
Anywhere,
Anywhere. Yeah.
anywhere.
Yeah,
Kalau everywhere
because
itu di mana saja yang oke aku pakai di mana aja. Kalau anywhere itu ya di mana aja randomly gitu. Itu
okay.
anywhere.
Anywhere. Because in Jakarta hard to remember the apa?
What is that?
Eh in Jakarta sering apa ya? Sering
Often,
apa? Often,
often. Bacanya nggak pakai T, often.
often, ya, often
Mhm,
traffic jam. So
mhm.
uh, we need use Google Map to find another jalan,
Another road, rute
another road.
lain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you use Google Maps to avoid traffic jam. Traffic
Yeah,
jam.
yeah,
Yeah,
traffic
that's
jam.
correct.
Mm.
Oh, I see, I see. And I remember that Jakarta route is a little bit complicated, more
Yes.
complicated than any other cities. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. And then my next question, what is the language of your Google Map?
English.
Okay.
Eh,
So I
Yeah,
believe
I don't
that
know.
you are
Maybe
familiar with
English.
this.
Hmm.
Do you remember some phrases that your Google Maps taught with you?
Kayak
Mhm.
after one, gimana ya?
After
100 meter,
letter.
go left gitulah.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's correct. Yeah. That's about direction. Your Google
Hmm.
Map is telling you about the direction. Apa itu direction? Arah. Dia ngasih tahu tentang arah. Nah, sekarang kita mau cara ngasih tahu kita seakan-akan Google Maps-nya gitu.
Hmm.
Okay, let's start with this one. Giving direction vocabulary. You might have heard about this vocabulary if you use Google Maps in English. They said turn right, belok kanan, turn left, belok kiri, roundabout. Roundabout is like bundaran terus kita harus muter like that. Roundabout. Kalau di Jakarta bundaran HI or something.
Bundaran HI.
Something like that. Kalau di Jogja namanya bundaran UGM.
Hmm.
Go straight on or go straight ahead means jalan terus. Cross the road or street, nyebrang jalan. That. Okay. So let me ask you, if you want to say belok kanan lalu putar, gimana bilangnya?
Turn right and then apa tadi? Go around ya? Apa sih?
No.
Putar.
Roundabout.
Roundabout.
Turn right, bukan go ya, tapi turn.
Yeah, turn right and then
Turn right and take the roundabout.
and take roundabout.
Okay, good. And then go along the road means jalan sepanjang jalan itu. Jadi misal kayak jalannya panjang gitu, kita bilangnya go along the road. Go itu jalan, along itu sepanjang the road jalan. Go along the road. And then go past. Go past ini adalah melewati. Usually the landmark. So sometimes if you want to reach somewhere, you have to remember the landmark. For example, go past the Indomaret and then take the first intersection. Lewati Indomaret pertama, terus ambil perempatan yang pertama. Gitu. And then perempatan itu intersection. Intersection. And pertigaan T-junction. T-junction. So, if you want to say pada pertigaan belok kiri, gimana bilangnya?
Pada apa?
At the T-junction.
At the T-junction and then turn apa tadi? Kiri atau kanan?
Kiri.
Turn left.
Nggak usah pakai and then. At the T-junction, turn left. Dan gitu aja.
At the T-junction,
Let me
turn
check.
left.
Ada atau on there? Wait. Or on the T-junction. Oh, it should be. Wait. Yeah, at the T-junction. That's correct. At the T-junction. And then kalau misalkan pada perempatan kedua belok kanan.
Pada perempatan kedua?
Yep.
At the two intersection.
Kedua pakai yang first, second, third itu Kak.
At the second intersection, turn right.
Okay, that's good. At the second intersection, turn right. Okay, good. And then lewati pom bensin.
Go past pom bensin apa ya? Gas station.
Okay, good. Go past gas station. And then, sama ada tambahan lagi. Kalau misalkan kita jalan itu kan bangunannya ada di kiri kanan ya. You can say kalau sebelah kanan itu at the right hand side. At the right hand side.
Hand side.
Right hand side.
Right hand side.
Kalau kiri ya kebalikannya left hand side.
Left hand side. Okay.
For example, go past Indomaret and post office is on your right hand side. sebelah kananmu, lewati Indomaret, terus kantor posnya ada di sebelah kanan. Gitu. Okay, that's about the vocabulary. Do you have anything to ask about
No.
giving directions vocabulary?
No.
No? Okay. Everything sounds clear for you. Okay, so if you want to ask direction, kalau zaman dulu nggak ada Google Maps, kita mau tanya siapa ya? Tanya orang ya. Kalau sekarang tanya Google Maps. But if you want to ask direction to someone, for example, your signal is lost, you cannot use your phone, so you have to ask someone. How do you say? Let's start from here.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I'm new here. I'm lost. Excuse me, could you help me, please? I'm so sorry. Sorry, yeah, I'm not from around here. Excuse me, I seem to be lost.
Okay, great. The first one, I'm sorry to interrupt you, which means that you're bothering them, so you have to say sorry. And then you can ask your question right here. I'm new here. I'm lost. Do you know what that means with I'm lost?
Dia tersesat.
Yep, that's correct. I'm lost means tersesat. And then, excuse me, could you help me please? Sama kayak yang kemarin ya, asking and offer for a help. And yeah, I seem to be lost. And then you can continue the question. I will give you one example. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but could you tell me where is the nearest supermarket? And then you can also say, I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. Would you like show me where is the police station? Like that. That's how you ask direction to the locals. Could you please make one example?
Sorry, I'm not from around here. Would you tell me where is toilet?
Yeah. That's the most common question. Where's the toilet? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, that's great. And then if someone asks you about that, how would you answer if you know where's the toilet? If someone asks you where's the toilet, and then how would you answer?
Ini aku tahu atau nggak tahu?
No matter which one. You pick anything.
Berarti ini dong, jawabannya yang kasih jalan tadi dong?
Iya, betul. Kasih jalan.
Coba balik lagi.
Sorry?
Mundur lagi, mundur.
Like,
Itu.
oh yeah, okay.
No.
This one?
The next one. Nah, ya. Go along the road and then the toilet is at the right side.
On your right hand side.
On your right hand side.
Okay, good. Okay. Itu cara jalannya dan cara jawabnya. Next one, how to ask for directions. Ini baru masuk ke pertanyaan arahnya kemana gitu. Please read it from number 1. And please fill in the blank with something. Supermarket, gas station, police station, post office, or anything that you know.
Can or could you give me the direction to the mall? How do you get to the gas station? Where is the hotel terdekat apa? Nearest hotel. Where can I find the apa lagi? Where can I find the
Rumah sakit.
Hospital? How do I get to
SMA?
SMA?
SMA apa?
High school.
Ya.
Oh, high school. how can how can I get to apa lagi?
Kampus.
University.
Okay.
Is there apa lagi? Apartment near here or around here?
Okay.
Where is the nearest
Parkiran.
parking
Parking lot.
parking lot? Do you know where the apa lagi?
Toko
Where
kopi.
the coffee shop is? Can or could you tell me how to get to laundry service from here?
Okay, good. How to get the laundry service from here. Okay. Actually, you can also put the place, the name, the place name, the
Mm,
place name. Yeah, that's correct. For example, could you give me the directions to the Starbucks? Do you know
mm,
where's the nearest coffee shop? Do you know where's the nearest Tuku Kopi or something?
mm.
Something like that. You can ask the name.
Okay.
And then how to give directions. This is the same as you learned before, just some new words right here. Go
Mm,
straight on. Lanjut lurus terus. Go ahead. That's the same. Go along the road. Sepanjang jalan ini. Go straight along this road. Jalan lurus sepanjang jalan ini. What's the difference between go along and go straight? Sometimes a straight is not straight, but it's sometimes yeah, like that,
uh-huh.
wiggling. So you can say go along the road for that one. But if the road is straight right away, you can say go straight along this road. Or you can also say go down the road. If the road is
Mm,
from the top of the mountain going down like that, so you
mm,
can say go down the road. And you can also say go straight on until you find blah blah blah. You can mention the junction, roundabout, intersection, or even a place. Go straight on until you find McDonald's. Like that. You can use the landmark.
mm.
And then turn left or right at the roundabout. Just like what I said to you. At the roundabout. And then go right before or after the blah blah blah. After a landmark, you should go right, go left, or something. When you see a blah 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 on your left hand side, turn blah blah blah. When you see a supermarket on your right hand side, turn left. When you see a gas station on your left hand side, turn right. Turn left or right until blah 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 street. Okay, remember about this one. Onto. Why it's not into? Street. Street itu kan jalan. And you
Mm,
can only on top of the street. You cannot be inside of the street, right?
yeah. Mm,
Unless you are a rabbit or a mouse, you can be inside the street.
into
So you should be on top of the
onto
street. That's why we call it onto.
onto.
On means on top of it. To means going to that place.
Mm,
Turn left or right onto blah 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 street. The name of the
mm,
street. And the blah 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 is blah blah blah. And the gas station is on your right hand side. And the what is that is blah 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 left hand side. Like
mm.
that. Actually, you can also give the what is that? The distance approximation. Jarak, perkiraan jarak. Or
Mm,
time approximation. For example, you can reach there in 5 minutes. Just walk straight on the street and you will find it on your left hand side. Like that. Or you can see, or you can say, you can walk until sorry, until you find the junction, turn right, and you will find it on your right hand side. It will take you around 5 minutes to go there. It is only 100 meters from here.
okay.
Okay, that's how to give direction. Now this is an example. I would I will be Jane and you can read Carol Park.
Mm.
Hello,
Hi, What can I help you?
Sorry to bother you, but could you tell me where the nearest supermarket is?
Which supermarket do you want to go? There are regular supermarket and Asian supermarket around here.
A regular supermarket, I suppose.
Then you can go by walking. It's about 200 meters from here. Go along this road until you pass a blue building. The supermarket is across that building.
That's a clear direction. Thank you.
No problem. Be careful. There might be a construction there.
Of course. Okay, so what kind of help Jane is asking from Carol?
Jane want to find the nearest supermarket.
And what kind of supermarket is she need? Does she need?
Regular.
How
Supermarket.
far is the supermarket from their place?
200 meter by walking.
And what is the landmark Jane have to find?
A blue building.
Okay. And what is the warning? What is the warning from Carol?
There might be a construction.
Okay, that's correct. Excuse me.
Oh, nge-lag tadi. Ini baru ada suara.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yes. Hmm.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live down the road. Is there anything I can help you with?
Can you show me the quickest way to get to the main street? I'm going to visit a friend's house there.
Sure, it's quite near, though.
The address is actually 8th Street.
Go straight from here until you see a junction. Turn left there.
And then
There's another junction. Take the street on the left and you will arrive there.
I got it. Thanks.
Suki.
All right. There's a lot of things that we can learn from this conversation. Starting from this one, live down the road. What does it mean?
Live berarti turun ke bawah.
No. Live down the road means
Live tinggal turun. Tinggal
down the
turun.
road. Oh no.
Bukan
Live
kan?
down the road means they are at the same neighborhood. Jadi mereka ada di kawasan yang neighborhood itu kayak kawasan satu kawasan perumahan. Live down the road means dia tinggal di area yang sama. Atau bahkan kemungkinan mereka ada di jalan raya yang sama. Live down the road. I just live down the road, which means it's quite near from your place right now. So if sometimes you ask a stranger, where do you live? Oh, I just live down the road. That means their house is around your place right now. And then where is Ron going?
To get to the main street to visit a friend's house.
Yeah, that's correct. He wants to visit his friend's house. And what does Danny say?
It's quite near.
What does it mean with quiet near, Toph?
It's quite near berarti dekat, agak dekat, sedikit dekat. Apa sih quiet near?
Quiet itu cukup
dekat ya, agak dekat.
Cukup dekat. Toph itu artinya kayak cukup dekat kok. And then what else? If someone say thank you to you, you can say
it's okay.
Yeah, that's it. Or you can also say no biggie. That's what
No
I
biggie.
told you last time. And it's okay, it's also fine. All right, and then another example. Hi, Kak Justin. Oh my God, how are you?
Hi, I am good.
Good, Dan. By the way, where did you buy that necklace? It's pretty.
Oh, I bought it yesterday at Coco Shop.
Where's that exactly?
The place is quite near from here. You just have to go straight until the intersection, then you turn left. Follow the street and the store will be on your left, just in front of the 567 high school.
Okay. If you want to spell a place name, you can just spell it.
567.
Yeah, 567. No need to spell it as a number in currency. Nggak usah kayak baca uang. It's okay.
567.
And another example. You can read part A.
Do you want some tea?
I'll pass. I have to catch my airplane.
Right, have a nice trip.
Thank you. But do you by any chance know the best route to go to the airport from this place?
Take a U-turn and just go straight ahead until you see the highway. Take the highway and then just read and follow the road sign.
Okay, that's great. So where does B go? Where are B going to right now?
Go to airport.
And then why he should pass the T over?
Because B want to catch the airplane.
Okay. And then what does A say to B after she knows that B is going to catch an airplane?
Oh, A said, have a nice trip.
Okay, good job. And then what does it mean with highway?
Jalan raya. Jalan tol.
Yeah, betul. Highway itu
Tol.
jalan.
Hmm.
And then palang-palang yang warna hijau itu namanya road sign.
Road sign.
Kalau lampu merah gimana?
Lampu merah apa ya? Traffic light.
Yeah, that's correct. Traffic light. Kalau yang P dicoret,
P dicoret. Do not parking.
yeah. No parking sign.
No parking.
Do not parking. That's correct. Actually, the sign is the same for every country.
Oh, no parking.
All right,
Yeah.
so that's all for the lesson today, and let's see the practice right here. But before this practice, I would like to ask you some questions, and you can answer it right away, just like what we did yet last time. Hey, Kak Justin, you got a nice haircut. Where's your barber?
Di mana ya? Bentar, aku lupa nama tempatnya. My barber is at apa ya namanya? Oh no. Kapten aja dia bilang Kapten Barber Shop.
Oh, where's that?
At the bentar.
It's okay. Take your time.
At the Hub Life Mall.
Oh, could you tell me
Hub
where
Life.
to get to the mall from here?
From Jogja.
No, from
Yeah,
your place. You can
if
also take the MRT or something like that.
okay. Mana bilang ya? Bentar ya. If you from dari mana ya? Dari sulit nih. Bentar.
Do you know where is the place?
Yeah, I know. It's just sebelah dari mall aku.
Oh, it's just beside the mall.
Yeah, it's just beside the mall.
Really? Just like that? Where's the mall?
Yeah.
On
So
what street?
my apartment is the name is Taman Anggrek and the beside Taman Anggrek is Hub Life. So you just you can walk, turun dari lift apa sih?
Walk down the lift.
Apa?
Wait. How do you walk down the lift? You take the lift and go down, right?
Yeah, take the lift and
Yeah.
then go down and then you just walk to the Half-Life.
Oh, I see. You can just say, take the lift, go
Take
down
the lift, go
from your
down
apartment,
from your
and then
apartment.
go to the mall right beside the apartment.
Bentar ya,
Go to the
susah kali ya.
mall
Go to
right
the
beside the
mall
apartment.
go to the mall right beside the apartment.
Yap.
Hmm,
Mallnya persis di sebelahnya apartemennya, betul kan?
apartment. Ya, tapi ini mall juga.
Ah, mall juga.
Jadi mall, apartemen di atasnya.
Oh, I
So,
see.
ya.
And then?
So, ini apartemen, ini mall apartemen,
Hmm.
di sininya Half-Life at
Half-Life.
in
Could you please spell it letter by
barbershop.
letter?
Barbershop.
Oh, barbershop.
Yeah, in the mall.
Oh, okay. All right, then
Hmm.
I got it.
So just
So
like
you can say take the lift,
take
go
the lift,
down,
go down to the mall,
and
and then
go to
go
Half-Life
to the Half-Life
mall,
mall.
and the barbershop is inside the mall.
Yeah, and the barbershop is inside the mall.
Yeah, like that.
Hmm.
Good job. And anyway, I will show you this. It seems like you forgot about this one. Preposition of place. Okay, this one. Do you recognize this one? Under, between, by. By itu sebelahnya yang sebelah persis gitu, next to. By sama next to sama. Tapi kalau next to itu beneran yang kayak sebelahnya. Kalau by itu bisa kayak agak serong dikit gitu. Over itu di atas tapi melayang kayak nggak nempel gitu, over. On itu di atas persis. In front of di depan, in di dalam, behind di belakang.
Behind di belakang.
And
Kalau
then
between di antara.
Between di antara. Ah, ini ada banyak. On di atas, in di dalam, under di bawah, over di atas tapi melayang, above itu di atas tapi kayak yang di atas nempel gitu. Tapi dia nggak tempelan kayak misal di dinding. A clock is above the mirror. The mirror is on the wall, and then the clock is above the mirror. Can you imagine that? Yeah, I suppose you can imagine that.
Okay.
Anyway, suppose itu artinya memperkirakan. Between di antara dua tempat. Tapi biasanya between itu kayak yang left and right gitu. Jadi kayak you're in the middle. Behind, belakang, near, dekat. Dekatnya tapi nggak tahu di sebelah mana, pokoknya dekat. Itu near. Next to itu beneran yang samping banget. Itu next to. Beside, itu samping tapi boleh ada berjarak. In front of, di depan. Opposite itu lawan. Jadi kayak misalkan reach the supermarket and the gas station is opposite. Is the opposite. Jadi kamu nyebrang. Opposite. Inside di dalam, outside di luar. At itu persis di titik tertentu. Kalau onto yang tadi ya, onto blah 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 street. Into itu adalah ke suatu tempat tapi bisa masuk. Walk into the mall bisa, kan bisa masuk ke mall. Along sepanjang, across menyeberang, gitaran. So if you want to say the barbershop, sebentar kok saya kasih tahu. Tukang potong rambutnya di dalam mall, gimana bilang?
The barbershop di dalam mall. Berarti di dalam pintu.
Is. Yang ini is.
In aja.
Yeah.
In the
Is
mall.
in the
In
mall.
the mall.
Yep. Is in
Hmm.
the mall. Okay, good. Kalau misalkan mall apa tadi Kak? Sorry, Half-Life.
Half-Life. Half-Life. HUBLIFE.
Oh, Half-Life. Okay, I
Mhm.
got it. Where is Half-Life? So you can say Half-Life ada di sekitar apartemenku. Sekitar
Half-Life
sini.
sekitar.
This one.
Berarti is around
Mhm.
the apartment.
Yeah, that's correct.
Ya kan?
Yeah, betul. And then ada bus station nggak ya? Sorry, bus stop nggak ya di sekitar apartemen?
Ada.
Okay,
Nyebrang.
so you can say
Across.
haltenya ada di depan apartemenku.
The busway.
The bus stop.
Oh, the bus stop. Ya, the bus stop ada di depanku.
Mm-mm.
Ada di depan apartemen ya?
Mm-mm.
Berarti kalau depan in front of
Mm-mm.
the apartment.
Okay, good.
Hmm.
And then apa lagi ya? Oh, ada mall.
Apa? Nge-lag.
Ada mall di bawah apartemenku.
Bentar.
There is
mall above.
above
Di
kan di
bawah.
atas. Kalau di
Oh
bawah?
ya, above di atas. Under
Mhm.
the apartment.
Under what?
Di
Sorry.
apartment.
Yeah, okay.
Tadi
That's
depannya
correct.
apa?
Under the
Have apa? Depannya?
There is.
So ya, there is mall.
Ada itu there is. There is a
Hmm.
mall under my apartment.
There is a mall under the apartment.
Okay. Kalau misal mau bilang restorannya berada di antara toko baju dan toko sepatu.
Apa tadi?
Restoran
Restoran.
berada di antara toko baju dan toko sepatu.
The restaurant is between toko baju apa? Shop.
Baju clothes,
Oh ya, clothes shop and
clothes store.
clothes
and-
store and shoes store.
Okay, good job. Oh, sama satu lagi Kak, saya belum kasih tahu among.
Apa?
Among, ya. Kayak game Among Us itu loh. Ya, Among. Jadi kalau between itu berarti di antara yang you're in the middle itu tengah, and then your friend is on your left hand side and right hand side like that. But kalau among itu artinya you are in the middle and your friend make a circle around you. So it can be anywhere. They can be in front of you, they can be behind you, they can be on your left hand side, right hand side like that. As long as you are in the middle.
Okay.
So if you want to say the tree growing among the park, that's correct.
Among the park.
The parks. Antara taman-taman dia tumbuhnya di tengah-tengah gitu.
Tengah.
Like that. Okay. And would you like to make any example from this preposition of place? Try to make one example.
Apa ya?
Any stuff is okay.
There is apa tadi?
Ya, There is.
Hmm, there is apa ya
There is
contohnya?
food. There's a cat on the table. No, no, no,
Huh.
no, no.
There is ketik misalnya. Oh, I know. There is
There
kalau
is
there is a bird. There is bird di luar jendela apa?
outside of the window.
Oh, outside. Nggak ada dong. Onside apa?
Out.
Outside.
Mana
Ya,
ya? Out.
ya itu ada.
Ada kan?
Outside.
The bird is outside of the window.
Of the window, yeah. There is a bird outside of the window.
Really, in Jakarta, you can see bird outside of your window?
Sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then, do you have a water dispenser at your house right now?
No
Oh,
dispenser. Using the
Okay, okay.
online.
The
Yang
water, what kind of that? I don't know how to spell
yeah.
it.
I don't
The
know.
small water dispenser.
Yeah, yang like
Okay. And do you have any fridge?
fridge, yeah.
Okay. Now tell me how to go to the fridge from your place that you're sitting right now.
Just go straight on the
Mm-hmm.
apa itu? Ada pintu.
Door.
Berarti go straight to the door
Mm-hmm.
and then masuk apa? Into.
Go in.
Into.
Go into.
Go into the apa? Dapur, kitchen.
Kitchen.
And then the fridge is on. Berarti di sebelah di sebelah hand side berarti. Left hand side.
On
Di
your
sebelah.
left hand side.
On your left hand side.
Okay. Try to repeat that again.
Okay.
Walk
Go straight into apa?
I don't know. It's your house.
Go straight into wait. Go straight into that door.
Okay.
And then go. Berarti masuk ke kiri.
Go
Go
into
to the
the
left.
kitchen.
Yeah, go into the kitchen and then the fridge is on the left side. Left side.
Okay. Left hand side. Okay, that's good. Why do you show me your house? It's okay. It's okay. And right now, hello.
Lah, ketekan
Hello.
keluar.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, show me how to get to the restroom.
Oh, go to the
Toilet.
restroom. Just go
Okay,
to the...
right in front of you. All right then. So you can say, actually, you can say it's just right in front of you.
Oh, it's just right in front of you.
Okay, I like that. Okay, that's great. Now let's see the maps from the PPT. Here is the maps. I have a quiz for you. I'm going to tell you where I am right now, and you have to guess where I stop.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
So right now, I'm on the Pine Tree Landscape Park.
Mana itu? Wait.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now, I'm on Pine Tree Landscape Park. It's on the left corner of the maps. And I take the Marfell Street until I found the first intersection of Neverwinter Avenue. After that, I turn left and go straight until Justice Square. There is a Starbucks on my right hand side. I turn right to Liberty Prospect. After that, there is a big state university on my right hand side. I go straight to Baker Street and stop there. What is on my left hand side? I'm lost.
Bentar, dari awalnya. From the beginning, I don't know where you at.
Okay. Let me repeat that again.
Yeah.
So right now I'm at the Pine Tree Landscape Park.
Where is
It's
it?
on the left of the map, on the left
Hmm,
corner,
left corner.
top corner,
Apa namanya?
top
What the name?
left top corner.
Left top corner. Okay.
Can you find it?
Yeah.
Right now I'm on the Marvel Street.
Marvel Street. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
After that, I find the intersection. I turn left to Neverwinter Avenue.
Hmm. Okay.
At the second intersection, I turn right on Liberty Prospect.
Okay.
I go straight along the road and turn right to Baker Street.
Okay.
Right now, I'm in front of the wedding dresses shop. Where am I?
At wedding dress shop.
No, I said I'm on the opposite side of wedding dresses
Opposite.
shop.
Opposite. Apa opposite?
Across. Opposite same like across.
Oh. Berarti at the Big Stage University.
Yeah, that's
Hmm.
correct. I'm on Big Straight University. Good job. Let's try it once again. Wait, let me decide where I am right now. Okay, I just finished a vacation from the Bayport. It's on the right hand side. It's on the right of the map.
Right of the map.
Right
White Bay.
in the middle of the map. Right
Hmm.
middle. I just finished vacation from the Bayport. Can you find it? It's on the White Bay, the red building.
Apa namanya tadi?
The White Bay, the red building, the Bayport. Okay. Look at the right side of the map.
Right side on the map, yeah.
Can you see the White Bay?
The White Bay?
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm on the red building, the Bayport. The Bayport. Can you see?
The Bay?
Port. The red building.
Mana? Oh, the Bay
In the
Port.
middle of the White Bay.
The Bay Port.
Yeah, the Bayport.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
And I go straight on the fire lane to Justice Square.
Okay.
After that, I still go straight to Neverwinter Avenue, go past the Starbucks cafe.
Okay.
When I reach the intersection, I turn left.
Okay.
And I go down to Marvel Street.
Hmm.
Wait. You can find my place before Nightingale Garden.
Yeah.
That's my workplace. Where am I right now?
Nightingale Garden.
Before the Nightingale Garden.
Oh, nursing home.
So what is my occupation?
Your occupation?
Occupation.
Apa
My
itu?
job. What is my job?
Your job? Oh, nurse
Okay,
or
good job.
doctor. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. So
Hmm.
right now you can give a quiz for me and I will guess where are you right now.
Wah. Uh, now I at Baker Street.
Okay, and then?
I just buy apa roti apa
Right.
bread ya. And then I go straight on Baker Street, and then I turn left. Gitu nggak?
Yeah,
Uh,
that's correct. Turn left.
turn left. Uh, turn left, and then perempatan tadi apa? Perempatan? Ini perempatan ya, 1, 2, 3.
Apa?
Perempatan
Intersection.
apa namanya?
Intersection.
Oh ya, intersection. I go straight and then go left. I find the apa?
Intersection.
Yeah, intersection. Intersection. I go straight to the body shop.
What kind of that?
Body shop.
Body shop, okay.
Body shop. Kenapa car wash sama body shop disatuin ya?
What? Car wash and body shop, yeah. It's right beside of the body shop.
Oh, okay. I buy some body shop. Body. Ya, itulah.
And then, are you at the car wash and body shop right now?
Ya.
You should not tell me the place.
Oh,
I should guess it.
oke. Oke. Ulang.
It's
Beda.
okay, it's okay. Again. Pick
Hmm.
anywhere.
From ini. Taylor Row. Taylor
Okay, and then?
Row. Yeah. From tailoring job. What is that? Tailoring.
Tailoring means penjahit. Tailor.
Oh. Okay. From tailoring shop. I go straight and I find intersection, and then I go to the left at the Baker Street, and then I go to the left again from Baker Street. I go to Fisherman Pedestrian Lane. Turn right.
Is that correct? Turn left? Oh, turn right. Okay, and
Yeah,
then?
turn right. And then I go to the my destination is on the right hand side. Yeah. Where are
Where are you right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you at the National Zoo? National
Yeah.
Zoology Park. Okay.
Yeah.
It's too clear. You should not say it's on the right hand side. You can just give a clue. Oh, I want to see animal like that.
Oh.
It's okay. Now show
Hmm.
me how to get to the martial arts center if you are currently at the news agent. So you're here.
Oh.
Can you see my cursor?
Yeah. New
You want to
surgeon.
go to the martial arts center.
Okay.
And after you practicing, you want to go to the bakery to buy some bread.
Udah jauh banget ya.
And after that, you have to park your car right here.
Well, oh, okay.
7 levels public parking. So you
Okay.
have 3 destinations. Right now you are
Okay.
here. You want to go to the martial arts center and then grab bread
Bread.
from the bakery and then go back to the 7 levels public parking to park your car. So
Okay.
could you show me the direction, please?
Ya, from news agent. Apa itu news agent?
News agent means the newspaper, the publisher of the newspaper. Penerbit
Oh,
koran.
bangkrut pasti. Sudah bangkrut.
Bangkrut.
Okay. From news agent, Justice Square, you uh you can find the T junction, right?
Mhm.
And then you just go straight on to the Neverwinter Avenue. And then you find a second junction, T junction. And then you turn left. And then practice at Martial Arts Center. Okay, and then from there you want to buy a Baker Street, you go back to the Neverwinter Avenue from Marvel Street. You can find the T junction and then you turn right. Then go straight to the T junction again and then turn right to the Liberty Prospect.
It's not T junction. The first one is not T junction. It's intersection, right?
Tapi kan kalau dari Marvel Street
No,
jadi
it's still intersection because there's
oh
1, 2, 3, 4. The
oh
T
oke.
junction is something like this. This one.
Oh iya ya. Hmm. Intersection. Intersection kan?
Yep, intersection.
Yeah, go to the right to the Neverwinter Avenue. Then you go straight to the intersection, second intersection. Go to the right, to the Liberty Prospect, and
Mhm.
then you go straight to the from Liberty Prospect you turn right at the Baker Street, and then you can find third intersection again. Just go straight on, and your destination is di depan, in front of Baker Street.
Okay, let me interrupt you a
Gimana
little bit.
bilang tuh?
If you want to say
Mhm.
the third intersection, it must be right here. So it should not be a third intersection, but another intersection. Because if you
Oh.
want to say 1, 2, 3, first, second, third intersection,
Mhm.
it might be on the same street. You just go straight and you find 3 intersection on the same street.
Oh, okay,
But
okay.
if you just turn right, it's not the same street anymore.
Okay, okay.
So you can just say intersection from Baker Street like that.
Okay, okay.
Ini kan di akhir, on the
Yeah.
corner of the street. You can say that.
On the corner.
Di pojok jalan
Oh, di
raya.
pojok. Di pojok.
On the end of the street juga boleh.
On
Di
the
akhir
end
jalan.
of the street. Okay, on the end of the street, you can find the bakery shop.
Okay. And now
And
you
then,
want to park your car.
yeah, from bakery shop, you can find the intersection. Just straight on to the Baker Street, and then go to the left. Go to the Liberty Prospect. Go straight on to the Liberty Prospect. Yeah, sama-sama Liberty Prospect. You can find the intersection again, and then just go straight on, and then turn right. Go to Carpenter Line, and you can park your car. Tadi apa? Kalau di ujung
And
on At the hmm, apa tadi ya?
On the end of
Oh yeah,
carpenter's line.
on the end
Of the carpenter's line.
of the carpenter line street. Yeah, and then you
Enggak usah,
can
line itu udah street artinya. Cuman bedanya yang line lebih
oh
kecil dari street.
oh okay. Yeah, and then you can find 7-level public parking.
Then what should you do?
Park your car.
Okay, like that. All right. So that's it for our practice today. Do you have any questions regarding direction?
No, I hope so.
Do you need any homework to practice with direction?
No need. I want
Really?
to because I want to learn from 1 until 9
Okay.
lesson.
All right. You can take your time to practice from 1 to 9 lesson, from the
Yeah.
first until the 9th lesson right here. And then we will have our final exam on Monday at 1 p.m. Please make sure that you don't forget about this one.
Yeah.
And don't worry about the questions. It's just our daily conversation. So it's not
Okay.
going to be that difficult.
Okay.
All right, then that's all for today. Thank you so much for coming and see you next time. Bye bye. Good
Thank you.
afternoon. Bye bye.